Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter of this 1999 SL500 by Mercedes Benz. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. There's a release latch right here. Feels like the trigger of a gun right next to the emergency brake. When you pull it, you'll hear a click in front of the vehicle. Now follow me over here. And then underneath the emblem, there'll be a slide latch. Pull it toward you and lift up. Now this vehicle doesn't have an attachment arm. It'll just stand up by itself. The air filter is right underneath here. Grab your Phillips screwdriver and undo these two screws. Just for ease, I'm going to pull up this molding here so that we can see what we're doing. This will reveal a series of 3 tabs, and these tabs hold the housing of the air filter, also known as the air filter box. 1, 2, 3. And we'll use a flathead screwdriver to just pull it off of that case. By doing that, that will give you access to our filter. You can see it's pretty dirty here. Alright, take that flathead screwdriver, and there's a couple little entry pieces. That makes it easy just to pop that old filter out. And as you can see, there's going to be some markings telling you how it's been installed and how to install the new one. Here it says up. We'll see this one says top, facing up, and there is, if it's all in German, there is a rubberized edge. The rubberized edge will be face down. When you place it, these metal tangs are going to want to grab on or stick underneath, so just make sure that you pull them out. Now we'll replace the casing. For this, it's always nice to have a friend pulling those tangs away from the case. Free.
Yep.
And then you're going to want to rotate it forward, and that'll click in to those metal tangs. And when you rotate back, it'll lock it down. Reseat the molding on both sides. And also replace the molding on the outer edge. And congratulations, you just installed your cabin filter.